Hi everyone, and today we're gonna talk about 10 tips from our channel. So we're gonna divide our 10 tips in 4 sections. Section number 1 is safety. Section number 2, organize your workspace. Section number 3, prepare for good quality of your prints. And section number 4, save money. Tip number 1, for safety, clean your printer. When you're using your printer, all the fumes that sucks in the dust in the room, and basically that can cause a fire, which is pretty much dangerous. Tip number 2, buy a fire detector and install it near the printer, somewhere in the ceiling, so that it can catch the smoke in case of fire, and it will warn you and save your life. Tip number 3, use Skype to watch your printer when you're not at home, or if you don't want to keep coming in the room and getting out. I'm gonna demonstrate that when we were outside with my wife. We were sitting in the car, it was raining, and basically I had no worries what's actually happening inside my room while the printer is printing. So I want to show you how am I checking on my printer while I am not at home. So what I've done, I've downloaded Skype. I have 2 accounts on Skype. One is for computer, which is now at home, and one is here. So basically from that account, all what I have to do is call my account at home. And now you can see that my printer is printing, that nothing is burning. Can you see that? That's how it works. You just call from Skype to Skype through the laptop. You can turn your laptop in direction your printer, or you can install a webcam in any spot you like, and that's how you do it. But to do that, you need to allow your Skype at home to pick up calls automatically. Moving to the next section, organize your workspace. Tip number 4, organize your wires. Print some fan protectors, print the wire organizers for the printers, clean it from the dust, keep all your wires neat. So the next section, prepare for good quality. Tip number 5, don't forget that you need to calibrate your E-steps. I will put all the links how to do these things in my description, so you don't spend your time for searching it online. Tip number 6, change your nozzle once or 2 times a month and level your bed properly. And now we continue with our final section, save your money. Tip number 7. So for tip number 7, it's better buy filament that works, because I've been using many filaments, and so far the best filament I found is from company 81, and this is not an advertisement, it's just from my personal experience. Sometimes filaments a little bit too cheap, you fall into that and you end up with just a lot of trash. Tip number 8. Don't print things that you really don't need, or just to test it out, or just because it looks cool and you know you will never use it and it's just gonna lie down somewhere in the corner with the rest garbage that you print out just for fun. It is much better to learn how to design the things and make your own STLs. Tip number 9. Learn some CAD software. Learn how to design the things. In my case, I use Fusion 360. It has an educational license, which gives me full opportunity of designing my own STLs. I started with a simple cube, now I end up with difficult models. Sometimes I even do mechanisms. And tip number 10. Have some PETG filament in your collection in case you want to print something for outdoors, which is protected from UV and also water resistant. It is something between ABS and PLA. It's quite strong, always attached good to the bed, and it's easy to print with PETG. And if you have your important upgrades or tips and tricks for 3D printing, please leave comment below. Thank you for watching, have a great print!